In this video I will discuss Beginner's Guide, designing a custom bodyweight workout plan. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of designing a custom bodyweight workout plan. Bodyweight exercises are an amazing way to get in shape. And if you're just getting started on your fitness journey, starting with bodyweight exercises is a fantastic choice. Remember to start slow, especially if you're new to exercise. Begin with a 10-minute routine and gradually build up as your strength improves. The beauty of bodyweight exercises is that they can be done anywhere, anytime, and they don't require any expensive equipment. Now let's dive into the essentials for designing your custom bodyweight workout plan. 1. Warm up. It's crucial to warm up before any workout session. Add dynamic stretches like jumping jacks or high knees. These will help warm up your muscles and prevent injury. 2. Cool down. Don't forget to cool down after every session with static stretches like the hammer stretch or quad stretch to prevent muscle soreness. 3. Rest. Give yourself adequate rest between exercises, and sets about 60 seconds should do it. Trust us, your muscles will thank you for it. 4. Progressively increase. As you become stronger and fitter, increase the intensity of your workouts by adding more repetitions or sets, or even adding a new exercise or variation to your routine. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing your very own custom bodyweight workout plan. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for tuning in today. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, keep sweating.